In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. If you've heard about Meta AI and you're excited to try it on WhatsApp, but you open the app and it's just not there, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the key things to check so you can understand why it's missing and what you can realistically do about it. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you're using the official app from the App Store, not a modified or unofficial version. Meta AI features are only rolled out on the official WhatsApp app. So if you're using anything else, that's very likely the reason you're not seeing the option. Next, check that your app is fully up to date. Go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for WhatsApp, and see if there's an update button. If there is, tap it and wait for the latest version to download and install. Many new features, including Meta AI, only appear on newer versions of the app. So this step is essential. Once WhatsApp is updated, reopen the app and give it a moment. Sometimes features appear after a short delay or after you close and reopen the app. You can also try restarting your phone, which helps clear temporary glitches that might prevent new features from showing up immediately. Now, keep in mind that Meta AI is being rolled out gradually. That means not every country, region, or account gets access at the same time. Even if you have the latest version of WhatsApp, the feature might not be available yet in your area. This isn't something you can force from your side, but staying updated ensures you get it as soon as it's rolled out to you. It's also important that your account is in good standing and linked properly to your phone number. If you recently switched devices or numbers, make sure you've completed the full verification process in WhatsApp. Incomplete setup can sometimes limit access to new features. If you've confirmed that you're using the official app, you're fully updated, you've restarted your phone, and Meta AI still isn't showing, the most likely explanation is simply that it hasn't been enabled for your account yet. In that case, the best thing you can do is keep your app updated and check back from time to time. So to recap, use the official WhatsApp app, update it to the latest version, restart your device, and understand that Meta AI is rolling out gradually. Follow these steps, and you'll be ready to use Meta AI as soon as it's available on your WhatsApp account.